Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the market structure. For you to become a good trader, understand the technical analysis and analyze the markets very well, first of all, you need to understand the fundamentals of market structure, understand how the market moves, understand what makes traders. Some people would take the decision that the market is in uptrend or the market is in downtrend. So that was why in this particular video, I'm going to give you a brief overview or a good tutorial concerning this market structure. So if you look at this outline that I've just given out here, you see that today we're talking about the bullish trend. In overview of market structure, I'll be showing you the bullish trend, the bearish trends, the consolidation, that's the consolidating phase, and as well the break of structure. So I'm going to show you the types of market structure, the internal market structure, and the external market structure. I know some of you might have said that I know bullish trend, I know market, all those kind of things. Calm down, relax. Watch this video. You're going to learn something new. I'm not going to drop everything here, but inside the video, you're going to get something important. So that's why you need to watch my video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I don't have much time to waste now. Let's just dive into the reason why we are here today. So first of all, let me give you the overview of what market structure is. So first of all, let me talk about the bullish trend. The bullish trend is when the market is in its uptrend. When the market is moving up, the market is said to be bullish. You can call it the market is in bullish trend. That's the bull run for crypto traders, or the market is in uptrend. Are you getting me? Now look at this. I'm going to use the orange candlestick, the orange line as the bullish candlestick, and then I'll use the red as the bearish candlestick. Just know how to differentiate these two. Okay, now let's keep going. So this is a chart showing a bullish trend. Then from that, you see a red one showing a bearish trend. So that is our higher high and a higher low forming, going up like this. This kind of movement, just normal. So just that I was going to show that when it goes up, it forms a higher high, and then when it comes down, it forms the higher low. When it goes up, it forms the higher high, and when it comes down, it forms the higher low. So you see difference now. So this point now is always the higher high, and then when it came down, it forms the higher low. So this is the higher high, this is the higher low, the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So you put when it is going up, the higher should be the first. You understand? The higher should be the first. The higher high, higher low when it is coming down. So you see, this is for uptrend. I was just showing what happened when it is in downtrend. So this is what happened only when the market is in uptrend. So now let's continue. There's a part when it's really the market to start ranging, consolidating. It doesn't have a trend. This period is just in a particular phase. You understand? We're just going ranging, consolidating. That's what we call consolidation. That's number C. C is called consolidating period. So now there's something I want to show you here. You can see that the market pushed down. Normally it's supposed to hit here and then keep going, consolidate, but this time around it pushed down. Whenever you see this type of thing, it's called the break of structure, which is D. So guys, now look at that. This straight line I just drew now shows the break of structure because the market pushed down and broke the structure. Normally it was going up and then hitting here, go up, hit there again, go up, but at this particular point it broke out. That shows break of structure. So now this is just a normal consolidating phase. Consolidating. So now this is a consolidating phase. Now it came down. This is what we call break and retest. Do you understand? So when the market pushed out from here, break of structure, it went up and retesting that zone. There are people that use this as a particular strategy that they trade. So when it retests, and then they will keep pushing down the market. Do you understand? So guys, let's keep going, guys. So this is the high. This time around it's going lower. The other one it was going higher. So we call it the higher high. Now it's not going lower. You call it the lower low. Do you understand? Just don't worry. You understand everything. So this is lower low. So this is lower high when it is up. The lower high, lower, but it's in the higher. You understand? Then lower low. We're still going low, but it is lower low. Then lower high. You understand? The next one is what? Lower low. The next, lower high, and then next one is lower low, just like that. You can go to your live chat and see all these things. We'll still go to live chat together so you see everything that I'm telling you, so it'll not be like Nigerian movie. So guys, let's keep going, guys. The break of structure. You see this line I drew here is a break of structure. Why did I say so? Because when the market was going down here, it hit that zone and then went up. Do you understand? You see, that's break of structure, guys. Break of structure. That's summary of what break of structure is all about. So let me just emphasize more on this particular break of structure because it signifies a lot in trading. Now look at this, guys. Let's watch. Let's roll together. Now, if the market pushes up from here, forming a higher high, and then came down to form a higher low, for you to believe that the market is still in its trend, it has to keep going and break this structure here. This is the last higher high. If the market continues to push up, that means the market is still in uptrend. Do you understand? At a point, it will still retrace. When it is retracing, this period where that it was from the higher high will serve as the support zone. Do you understand? This is just it now. Now, this place will serve, this place that was the higher high will now serve as a support zone for the higher high to hit, support, and then push up for the next higher high. Come down, this one that was higher high will serve as a support. It will hit there and serve as support, and then hit, keep going up to form the next higher high. That's all it is. Okay, guys, I'm going to make a particular video. My next video will be about support and resistance. Let me just summarize this video now. But the next video will be about support and resistance. So if you want to know more about support and resistance, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, and then go to the description of this video and watch my video on support and resistance. It's not been ready now, but I'll make it tomorrow. So just go to the description of the video. If you're watching it later on, you see how I made video about support and resistance in a way you understand it. You can use it as your own mode of trading. So break of structure, just like it said here, is when the market is at this point, move down. For it to confirm the market is still in uptrend, it has to break out and keep going. What is the lower? Let us go to lower lows and lower highs. You understand more. So guys, here you see that the market pushed up, forming the lower high, and then it pushed down. This place, this particular zone here, is the last lower low structure. And if the market happens to push down there, it is called the break of structure. That shows that the market is still in its trend. Do you understand? But if the market happens to push up, keep going on, and break out this particular higher high, this lower low here, that means the market is about to change its structure. Just like to go, retest, and then the market will still continue pushing up, guys. So that's just the summary of what break of structure is. Break of structure shows continuity of trend, and also break of structure shows the exhaustion phase in a trend. So once a chart is about to end its movement, you use your break of structure to know the movement, use a break of structure to know that the market is about to end its movement. So the next one is the type of market structure, guys. By type of market structure, we will not talk that one here because it's more of practical. So join me, let's go to live charts. At that particular place, I'll show you the internal market structure, and I will show you the external market structure. Okay, guys, please, if you are watching the videos to this extent, please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Let this channel keep growing, guys. Let's keep channel keep growing and meet others who like educational videos. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, now let's talk about bearish trend. Like I told you before, the bearish trend is when it is going down, and bullish trend is when it's going up. Okay, now let's see what the bearish trend has for us, guys. If you look at this chart, you notice something. You see that the market was forming, this should be the lower high. This place is the lower low. This place is the lower high, the lower low. You see, the lower high, the lower low, the lower high. You see as it was going, just in that particular trend. You understand, guys? So what I was telling you guys about break of structure is that when this market moved up to this place, I started going down. this was the all-time low before. So when the market gets to this place, there was a few ranging and consolidation. What happened? The market still broke out. You understand? And then went down to this all-time low and then came up. When it was coming up, this place became the next lower high, just like I told you before. As this place is the next lower high, it became this lower high because this place was the former support zone. Do you understand? And then this support zone now acts as the resistance to this particular zone, and it's now pushed the market down to this particular level. Just like I told you before, I'm going to make a detailed video on support and resistance in particular. So if you want to know more about support and resistance, you just go to the description of the video, click on it, and then enjoy my content about support and resistance strategy. You guys are a strategy. It's profitable strategy, guys. Okay, let me show you guys the consolidating period. From here, this was a source of consolidation, and here too. You see, guys. You see that, guys? There was a reason why I stopped trading consolidating markets. I dropped it in the description of this particular video too. I'm going to keep it there. So the reason why I stopped trading is just because of this thing. They'll tell you that this consolidations like this, but actually later on, it's always zigzag and not other organized. So this is a consolidating market. After the consolidating markets, the market now changed its trend and started pushing up. So guys, after the consolidation, next thing is when the uptrend started. You see that when this uptrend actually started, there was a push out, there was a break of structure. This was actually all-time high here. Then at this particular point, the market now from here, it went down and then came up here and then break out the structure. And once it break out the structure, it still came down to retest. And after the testing, the market started a new trend altogether. And this is our higher high and the higher low, where this place will serve as your higher high. You can see that. And this place will serve as your higher low, guys. Very simple. And a trend keeps going on that way. So that's just what market structure is all about. Knowing the trends, the bullish trend when it is going up, the bearish trend whenever it's going down, the consolidation whenever the market is ranging or doesn't have a particular chart pattern. And then the break of structure, very much important, which shows the continuity of a trend or the reversal pattern of a trend. So if you want to know more about consolidating markets, I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. And if you want to know more about support and resistance, I'm going to make the video and I'll still drop it in the description of this video. So if you're watching this video 2 days after, then go to the description. The video is already there for you. Watch it, enjoy my content. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. My channel always produce something educative, something that you understand and make you better trader in the future. Now let us dive into the internal and external market structure. I was telling you guys something about internal and external market structure. Now let me tell you, let me use what is happening recently in markets to show you what internal and external market structure is. You see, at this particular point, the market pushed down. This is daily time frame. And then it went up. So if you look at this period, you see that the market is actually going down. You see, it is going down. And then if you go to time frame, you see that we are in the daily time frame. That means in daily time frame, the market is actually pushing down. Do you understand? Look at it here. Of recent, the market is going down. So let's go to 4-hour time frame, guys. Let's go to 4-hour time. So this is our 4-hour time frame, guys. If you look at this 4-hour time frame, there's something you will notice here. You notice that this market is actually still in its downtrend. It is moving down. The chart pattern is still pushing down. But if you look at here, you see that the market is actually not going all that down. It hasn't broken, it has not broken any structure yet, but the market is still falling down massively. Now, this is what is happening here in 4-hour time frame. Now let's go down to the smallest time frame. Let me just use the rectangular shape and show you guys something. Let's just watch out. Okay, let me just take these 3 candles here. Let me just take that 3 candles. So like I said, that the market is actually going down. You can see it here. But let's check what has been happening within these 3 candles in a smaller time frame. Now let's go to 15 minutes time frame, guys. You understand something? This candlestick that is being formed here is the internal market structure. For the external market structure is the one that you'll be seeing in the higher time frame. If you go to higher time frame, you notice that the market is actually going down. Do you understand? This is the external market structure. In the higher time frame, what you notice in the higher time frame is called the external market structure. But what you notice in the smaller time frame, which is just here, is what we call the internal market structure. So inside this internal market structure in 15 minutes time frame, see the same chart, see the same Euro USD. The market is going up. You can see that it's pushing up, going up. It's just going up. You see that, guys? So this is the reason why you need to know your top-down analysis very well. I'm going to drop this video in the description of this video. That means I've dropped like 3 videos now. Just anyone you don't know, just check it out. Take top-down analysis. Take consolidating, why I start trading consolidating market, and you can also check the support and resistance because it's already ready. So guys, the top-down analysis is the only thing that can help you. Top-down analysis is the only thing that can help you know how to analyze this type of charts. Knowing this internal and external market structure very, very well. So like I said before, when you're analyzing from the higher time frame, you are analyzing as an external market structure. And when you're analyzing in this lower time frame, you're analyzing as an internal market structure. So you see what is happening here, that the market is going up. Let us analyze from the lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame. But if you go to daily time frame, the market is going up, is going down. If you go to higher time frame, the market is actually going down. But if you go to the lower time frame, the market is going up. So that's just the summary of what internal structure is all about. As this candle signifies 1 day. So if you go to 15 minutes time frame, you just know what is happening. Okay, guys, I know you enjoy my content, don't you? For you to watch it from there to this time, I know you've grabbed so many knowledge. Like my video, click on that like button so that this video will keep ranking well. Then support me by subscribing to my channel, and then you can share this video to your friends who don't understand what market structure is all about. Okay, guys, I have a free Telegram channel where I always drop my free signal. You can just choose the description of the video and join us as you're making money trading synthetic indices. Then I have a mentorship program that I offer once in a month. If you like, you can just roll in, and then if you like the way I teach, this is just a tip of what I always share with my mentees, because we analyze charts together. So if you want to join us, you can just join my Telegram channel. From there, you will see my WhatsApp number and everything will now follow. So guys, this will be the end of the video. Let's go have some rest. All right, guys, bye.